What's up guys, it's your boy Jordan, back with another e-commerce video. And I'm super excited about this one because you guys have been blowing me up about this. We know that Q4 is approaching. We know that it's the biggest time of the year for online sales, but a lot of you guys are still struggling to go out there and find great products. So I wanted to make this video sharing a couple product ideas that I found, also that my product research team found, and I'm gonna show you guys why I believe that these products will work, and also some strategies to go out there and test these products. If you guys are trying to start an online store, it's so crucial that you capitalize off of Q4 and off this approaching buyer's frenzy. So anyways guys, we're gonna jump over to my computer and I'm gonna do all this over there. I'm gonna show you guys some live examples of stores that are selling similar products and show you guys everything you need to go out there and sell these products. So I'm super excited. I know you guys are ready for this value. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna be revealing 5 products that I believe have massive potential to sell in the upcoming Q4. These are not just random products that I picked. All of these products are either untapped or have shown recent market potential, and also the products are directly in line with what's going on in the world today. So if that doesn't make sense to you, we're gonna jump in and I'm gonna explain this all very clearly right now. So firstly, you guys have to understand that these products have potential, but they aren't guaranteed to work. You know, I've seen other people make similar videos like this and they go on to preach saying, oh, these are the products that are gonna work. And if you test this, it's guaranteed to work. That is not true. The thing that makes the products work is you and your marketing capabilities. But these products I'm about to show you today definitely have massive market potential, and I wouldn't have put them on here if they didn't, or if I didn't think that you would be able to sell and scale these products. The thing is, these are the factors that I've chosen to determine if the product was worth making it on this list. So number one, is there a major problem that this product solves and does it apply to the masses? These key factors that I'm about to show you right now are the ones that I use to validate every single product before going through with testing it. So that's number one. Number two is this product unique enough to grab attention on social media? This is a major one because you guys know how little our attention spans of our customers are, especially when they're not even our customers yet and they're just browsing their social media feed looking for the next interesting thing to hook them in for the time. Your product has to be unique enough to pull them away, and if it doesn't, you've lost the customer before they even made it to your website. Is the product relevant to the current state of the world? So an example of this is that winter is approaching. You guys are going to notice that the products that I'm suggesting are tailored towards that cold environment and that problem that arises from that environment. That is how you guys need to be thinking when going out there and testing products. I'm not saying that everything you launch has to be a seasonal product, but you must be conscious of what's going on in the world. If it's snowing in 80% of the places in the world and you're trying to sell some summer beach towel to the world, it doesn't make any sense. You have to be conscious of what's going on in the world, and with every product that you sell, you need to try to connect that dot. Number 4, has this product or similar products gone viral in the past? Very self-explanatory. The reason why I like to check for this is because it shows the market interest like that. You can instantly tell, okay, that there is people that want to buy a product like this. But there's a disclaimer on that one. Is the version of the product better than the previous viral ones, right? You don't want to go out there and launch the same exact thing that the last person launched because it won't stand out to the customer as much as if it was fresh, okay? So these are the factors that I look at in terms of picking these products. And now we can just go ahead and jump in and start looking at these products. And like I said before, guys, with the right marketing approach and angle, I'm certain that you can profit off these products and make some money. It's up to you to build up that marketing skill set. And I've got 100 videos. My friends got videos that you guys can go out there and watch and research on. So these products are ranked from least to most potential. So product number 5 is going to be the one with the most potential, but I want you guys to watch all of these products and hear my ideology behind why I decided to go with these products. So this is product number 1. This is actually a newer design product I've seen come through my Facebook feed recently. And these are the reasons why I believe it's worth testing. After we go through this, I'll show you guys the live Facebook ads so you can get some inspiration. But firstly, There's a very clear pain point and solution. The pain point, guys, is that running at night or running during the morning is extremely unsafe. You could get hit by a car. You could share the statistics of people who've been injured while running during the day or the nighttime, and boom, you present this golden solution right after. Not to mention you have multiple angles to test, which we're going to talk about. And it's also a unique and new product design. Now, I did do a little bit of research before I put together this PowerPoint, and I found that similar products have sold in the past on a massive scale, but companies recently have gone in, refined the design and the usage of this product, and that's why I believe that once again it has that massive potential to pop. So in terms of the multiple angles, for every product I'm going to do the breakdown just like this. Why is it worth testing, and what are the angles I would test? And for this product, I would go for 3 different creatives for these 3 angles. I would go with cycling because I feel like cycling would be the most untapped, right? Cycling would be the one that people have not gotten into yet because everything I've seen around this product is all about running or jogging, when a cyclist can get just as much value from wearing this product. And then obviously the running and jogging angle. And the last one is safety. Now you might be like, well, isn't safety tied in with running and jogging and cycling? But what I'm suggesting is that you make these creatives specific to what you're targeting. So the first one, this many cyclists got injured in this scenario. This product solves it. This many runners got injured in this scenario. This solves it. The safety angle is the overall, combining the running and jogging and the cycling, but just specifically talking about the problem itself. So this many people every year get injured exercising this time. This product is the solution. So those are the angles that I would test. And let's take a look at the Facebook ad so you guys can see that this thing is actually trending recently. They launched this in January, so it's not brand new, but they built an entire store around this type of product, selling these light belts, selling these type of things. And you guys can see that people are liking them, people are enjoying them. So I think that this is a product that has potential so long as you go out there and you market it creatively. Now, like I said, these guys are strictly talking about running. So there's market potential for you to go out there and focus on cycling or focus on a slightly different angle. Okay, so that's product number 1. Let's keep moving through these with product number 2, the Shiatsu massage pillow. Now, if you guys saw a video I made last year in April, it was a case study where I took a brand new store from 0 to over $1,000 a day in 2 days, literally 2 days, from testing 2 products, got it to over $1,000 a day. And not this product, but a similar product was the one that I was selling. So let me tell you guys why I think it's worth it. This is a very common problem. I'm sure even you watching this video, you probably have a little bit of back or neck pain that you're trying to deal with. It's something that everybody goes through. And from that, there is mass market potential. And also, like I told you guys, similar products have scaled in the past that do a very similar purpose. But this is a new design. So therefore, this is untapped. But other products have sold similarly, so there's potential for it. You guys see my logic behind that? We find the idea that has already worked in the past, but then we go out there and we look for the new updated design of that product, and we hit a home run. Another thing to consider is that this also ties into the winter angle because it's actually a heated pillow. So you can say, perfect way to stay warm and get a massage during the winter. There's so many lines you can go out with this, but let's talk about the angle specifically. I would focus primarily on neck and back pain as it's something that is so common and such a major pain point that even people while looking at the ad might be experiencing. That's what triggers the impulse purchase. You feel the pain in the moment. You feel the pain of not buying the product. Very important to note. You feel the pain of not buying the product, and then you go through and purchase that on the site. That's what an impulse purchase looks like in the mind of a customer. And I think this product falls perfectly in line with impulse purchase. And here's some other 2 options. First one's pretty self-explanatory. People who go out there and get massages, you know they're going to want this product. But I'm actually not even considering that is the most likely audience to go with because those people already have their needs fulfilled. Those people probably have less back pain and neck pain than the average guy because they're always out there getting massages, right? So for me, I would focus on the pain angle and I would focus on insomnia angle because that is also a pain point. Oh, you can't sleep at night? Well, this pillow massages you to sleep, right? Like that's a good tagline that would hook somebody in and want to check out more about your product. So let's go to product number 3. By the way, there was no viral Facebook ad for product number 2 because it's an untapped new design, like I said. So you can be the first one to ride that wave and scale that product. So product number 3 is actually a product that I've worked with somebody on in the past and we've scaled massively. But this right here is a different design of that product. So winter is approaching. Clearly, this is a winter-based product. This product went extremely viral last year in a bunch of different styles and designs. And under that pretense, it has mass market potential. Now, you might be saying, well, if somebody went out there last year and sold this product on a massive scale, how could I possibly step in and sell it again this year? Well, first off, it's a pretty standard product. It's leggings. It's something that almost every single woman would want to have or own. So it's not like since that guy last year sold the product, it's all dried up. You can never sell the product ever again. I think that's completely incorrect. So for the angles that I would test, obviously winter. I would make it almost entirely focused around comfort and winter. Hey guys, getting cold outside or having trouble staying warm, these leggings are lined with fleece to keep you warm throughout the night or whatever you want to do your angle on. But winter by far will be the best thing to focus on, as that is the main solution of the product, is keeping the customer warm. And you could even tie it in to yoga and fitness. So you could figure out how to mesh those two angles or split test them completely differently. If it were me, I would do one that's strictly focused around winter and one that's combined with them. So need the right workout clothes for this cold climate or need the right workout clothes for the winter, these leggings are perfect for your winter yoga sessions or something. And you guys, I'm just throwing this ad copy freestyle off the top of my head, but the concepts and the angles that I'm coming up with is exactly what I would be using if I was going out there to sell this product. And once again, all I have to show for this is an Amazon search, and I just want to show you guys people are buying this type of product on a massive scale. And these aren't all regular leggings. All these are fleece line. 424 reviews, 2,000 reviews, 2,000 reviews, 1,000 reviews. So for me as a seller and for you as a seller, it shows that there is massive market potential for this product. It's just up to you to go out there, create a good marketing campaign, be creative, stand out, and scale this thing up to the moon. So product number 4 is this infrared heated vest. So why is this worth testing? Very obvious. For the first reason is that winter is approaching, but the second reason, and to me the most important reason, is that this is an untapped product design. So similar products have sold in the past. Products that are heated jackets or heated gloves. But this is a vest that you wear under your clothing or over your shirt, under your jacket, that keeps you warm. And on looking on Amazon and checking it out, people love this thing. People are like religiously behind this product, especially for the angles that I'm about to show you guys. This product is super broad. It has multiple uses, but these are the angles that I would go with if I were you. So obviously winter, but let's breeze past that because that's the obvious one. These two right here are the ones that I think will have the most potential. People that love hiking, love going outdoors, but when it gets super cold, they're limited. This is a good solution for that. Me, I love hiking. If I was living in a cold place, I know I would need something like this. The other one that came to mind was skiing and snow sports. And I'm going to tell you guys how I figured out this angle. The way I discovered this angle was going on Amazon, finding this product, and checking out the reviews of the product. This is a hack that you guys can do right away. If you're trying to figure out an angle to target for the product, just check out the Amazon reviews because people are going to very clearly tell you why they bought the product. Like for this one, they were saying, oh, I use this every time I go snowboarding. I use this on every single ski trip. It's very important to know what the customer wants and why the customer is going to use your product, and Amazon review is a good way to find that out. So this would be the second to highest potential product out of the 5. And let's go into number 5, the one that I think has by far the most potential of the batch. This tactical jacket and pants set. Now, if you guys saw my last product research video, you would know that I actually shouted out these pants right here, but I was talking about the summer edition of the product. Last year, people were successfully able to sell the winter version of these pants, not this exact design, but a similar design. So my theory is that with this upgraded design and with the bundle, there's a lot of potential here for you as a seller. So first one, massive market potential. The reason why this is because it's jacket and pants for the winter. Dude, anybody would want that. anybody can use that. So there's a big broad pool of people that you can use and sell this product to. The other thing is that there's huge profits for this product. So if we go to the AliExpress link, you guys can see right here, the max price is around 41 bucks. But you're selling a bundle. You're selling the shirt, the jacket, and the pants. Just jacket and the pants. You can sell it for at least 99 bucks. That's where I would start because you're selling them together. They look as if it's a premium product. I've actually had these pants in my hand. They are a premium high quality product. So easily can sell this for $99 or more. But what I'm suggesting is that you could at the very minimum have that $50 profit margin. So it also has multiple angles. It's pretty self-explanatory, but what are the angles I would test? They're very similar to the last product. Strictly focusing on people that are in the outdoor space. Let me full screen this again. Strictly focusing on people that are in the outdoor space because that's who would get the biggest benefit from this product. So this is product number 5. This is the one that out of the batch I believe has the most potential based off these factors here and based off the fact that it's untapped but a similar product has gone viral before. I think that this one definitely has potential. So that was the 5 products that I think you guys would have good chance to see results with in Q4. If you couldn't tell, most of these products are based around the winter, right? So right now, I want you guys, if you're not going to go out there and test these products, which I don't know why you would do that, at the very least, write these products down and use these products as a frame of reference of, hey, this type of product might be selling. So if you don't want to sell this bundle, you might be able to go out there and find a new style of the winter pants or jacket, or you might be able to find a new style of the heated vest or any of the other products that I showed you today. But these ones right here still have potential and you can still make them work. So I don't want to leave you guys hanging with just the products. I want to give you guys a little bit of advice. Also the skiing and snow sports angle. But I want to give you guys a little bit of advice for actually going out there and testing these products. So this is sort of like the things that I think about before going through. And in this case, this is point number 1 is that you guys got to test more than one creative. If you want a fair chance to beat out the competition, you have to be testing multiple creatives. And when you're splitting up the creatives, you need to split them up by angle. So I showed you guys multiple angles for the product. Your creative needs to be built around those angles in particular. That is what has worked extremely well for us and everybody that I know that's doing e-com. So number 1, like I said, creatives are the area where people are losing their customers before they even get a chance. I mentioned at the start of this video, if your product is not hooking the customer in, if it's not calling them out, they're just going to keep scrolling and you're not even going to get them to your website. Also, you want to think about the other angles. And I'm not going to sit here and keep repeating that, but it's so important. You should be spending a minimum of $300 to test these products. If you don't have $300, I'm not saying it's required to spend that much money, but I think that's an accurate test. Setting up a campaign for $100 a day across the board and then running that campaign for 2 to 3 days is a pretty accurate test of how this creative and product match is faring. And if you've applied logic to the test, meaning that you've really thought out why this product is going to work and why you want to test this product, and you have full confidence in the product, $300 is a very reasonable amount to test and make it work, okay? So let's jump into the second part of this, and it's just talking about added value. If you guys have been watching my content for a while, you know that added value is the cornerstone of all the results I've gotten in entrepreneurship, not just e-commerce, but with my software business as well. So what I mean by added value is searching for products that have room for improvement. So that's how I found all of these products. I found a similar one that had gone viral and I found improvement on it. The bundle of the pants, the new version of the massager, the new version of the vest. You have to add value to see results. You can't just go out there, see what's working and copy and paste it to your business. It doesn't work like that. In 2016, 2017, you might have been able to copy and paste the video ad and scale it like crazy. It doesn't work like that. Only people who are going to win is the good marketers, and all good marketers add value to every product they launch. So point 2, I've already mentioned it, is just look for stuff that has already been validated. Look for stuff that has already gotten results and think of ways that you can improve that. So the way and the process that I follow is just analyzing their funnel, seeing what's good and what's bad about it, and then thinking about what you can do better. And also, you can always see if there's a variation of the product available that's better than the one that they're selling or has some new feature that theirs doesn't have. So this is sort of an overview on adding value. And this is, like I said, the cornerstone of all the results I've ever gotten in internet marketing to date. So all of these products that you've seen today were found by my product research team. They send me a huge list every single week, and I manually go through and I select the ones that I like the best to upload to my software and to hand off to my students. And if you guys want access to this product list, if you guys want access to my team of product researchers to give you daily product suggestions along with everything you need to market it, so video ad, description, ad copy, thumbnail, pricing, market data, everything that you would need to sell the product, we've got you covered. If you guys know me and what I'm running, I currently own a software called Viral Vault, and we basically go out there and we find products for you guys and give you everything you would need to market them. I don't want to give you some grand pitch for Viral Vault. I don't want to make this video all about Viral Vault, but we're talking about products, and these products came from my product research team. So why not give it a shout and tell you guys that you could check it out today for a 7-day free trial. I don't offer the 7-day free trial to everybody. I don't run ads for the 7-day free trial. This is exclusive to this video alone. And if you guys don't like it in that 7-day period, just cancel it. It's totally free to check it out. And I would love to get some good feedback on this thing. But anyways, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you do want to check out that Viral Vault free trial, the link is at the top of my bio or the description of the video. Sorry. You can click that and you can check it out today. Cancel it at any time. And if you love it, keep testing and we would love to see the results. We're actually getting new testimonials for Viral Vault every single day. And I couldn't be more prouder to say that. So anyways, guys, that's all for this video. You can check the description for the Viral Vault link. And if you want to connect with me on Facebook or Instagram, those links are there as well. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you crush it this Q4. Keep testing, stay consistent, work hard, and I'll see you at the top. Have a great day. Peace.